Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and today we're talking about how you can become an influencer to make money. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. Hey there, as I said, welcome to today's episode. Today we're talking about being an influencer and how it can make you some money. Now, you've probably seen the likes of Nick Nimmin, Dee Nimmin, Sean Cannell, Roberto Blake, Dan Courier, and many, many others in the YouTube community. These are all influencers in their own way for their own products, their sponsors and brand deals, as well as in general for the content creator community. All right, so those are all influencers when it comes to their own products, their gear, brand deals, and sponsorships, and in general for the content creator community. Now, how can you get started in being an influencer? Well, if you're a content creator, whether you're here on YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you as a content creator can be an influencer by one, using your affiliates to be able to make money. You can also obtain brand deals and sponsorships for different products or services that you use. You can also recommend the gear that you use and help others use the gear that you use by troubleshooting or helping them with questions they may have. All the while, when you're doing these types of things, that is being an influencer. Whether you're teaching somebody how to do YouTube content or social media content, writing books, podcasting, anything like that, if they go from being somebody who's not already doing that to somebody who is doing that, that's influencing that person. If you have an affiliate for Amazon products and you get somebody to buy one of those items, that is influencing that person to buy that product. So, if you want to make some money, you can become an influencer. Now, this doesn't necessarily happen overnight. It will take you some time to create your content and to operate on your affiliate deals and referrals and things like that that you can potentially make money from. But it is something that can definitely help you make money on a recurring basis, whether it's for a physical product or a digital product, an online service, anything like that that you can potentially get somebody to purchase into is going to make you money. If you want more information, I highly recommend checking out my blog on consulttheblindguy.com/blog, and you can be able to find all kinds of information there where I go into way more detail on the 100+ different ways that you can make money from home. You can also sign up to buy my book, Income Booster 100+ Businesses You Can Start From Home and Ditch the 9 to 5. It's packed with over 100 businesses that you can start doing right now to start making money. Whether you're somebody that's already full-time employed, part-time employed, unemployed, disabled, or whatever, there is literally something for everyone of every age to be able to become an entrepreneur and work from home and online and get rid of that boring day job working 9 to 5 where you work for somebody else. You can work for yourself and make just as much money. And in some cases, you can make a ton more. So check out the website, sign up and order a book. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Look forward to hearing your questions and comments. Go ahead, drop them down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next episode.